Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about symbiosis. Symbiosis. First of all, so it is the association between the two organisms of different species living together. It's a relationship between two organisms of different species which live together. So here we have three types of symbiosis. Number one is parasitism. Parasitism. Then number two is commensalism. Commensalism. And number third is mutualism. So here we have these three types. So let's discuss. Okay, so in parasitism, in this, the one is benefit while the other is also harmed. And in commensalism, the one is benefit and other is not getting harmed. Mutualism, equal. One is benefit and other is equal benefit. So let's discuss what parasitism. Parasitism. Parasitism is basically the organism which live in or on the body of other organism, like either they live in or on the body of other organism. So they are called as host. Like we have two types here. Some are tiny parasites, they are known as guests, and other are large parasites, those are called host. Okay, so always tiny parasites are get benefit, while the large means host one get harm. Okay, so how these tiny parasites means cause the diseases like virus and fungi and different type of diseases which are harmed on the body of host. So this is what tiny are getting benefit, means how they are getting benefit. They are getting nutrients from the host blood. Second one, they have shelter to live and food, and they also reproduce. Okay, so let me give you one example of parasitism. So here we have endo and ecto. Endo parasite and ectoparasite. Okay, so let me give you an example first of ectoparasite. So here we have example of leech. Like leech is the tiny guest and live in or on the body of buffalo. We're taking example buffalo. Okay, so here the leech will get the nutrients from buffalo through blood, get nutrients, and here it will live. The leech will get the shelter too. So now buffalo is getting harmed, like leech is taking nutrients, so and the buffalo is getting harmed. So here what happened? The leech is getting the benefit and buffalo is harmed. So let's take example of endoparasite. So in endoparasites like mosquitoes. What is spelling? Mosquitoes. Okay, so like mosquito live in or on the body's host of the body. So through saliva, it will produce the plasmodium in the host body. Plasmodium in the host body. So then this will go toward. This is an example of endoparasite. So this we are if mosquitoes are get means living in or on the host, so they are producing the plasmodium through their saliva. So here the person will get infection like malaria. Okay, so now here the mosquitoes are getting benefits like reproduction, growth, they are growing, then shelter we can say, then nutrition, most importantly nutrition. Like what they are doing, they are living on the host body, they are getting these all things, but also they are giving harm to the host body, like they are producing plasmodium through the saliva. From that host is getting malaria infections, different type of infections. So these were the two examples of parasitism. So now let's move towards the commensalism. Okay, so commensalism. Here what happened if the one is getting benefit and the other one will neither get benefit nor get harmed. If one is getting benefit, so while other will not get benefit or harm. ओके, एक अगर बंदा बेनिफिट ले रहा है तो दूसरे को ना ही कोई बेनिफिट हो रहा है ना ही उसको कोई नुकसान हो रहा है, तो यह आता है हमारे पास कॉमेंसलिज्म में. सो इसकी एग्जांपल हमारे पास बहुत अच्छी एग्जांपल हो सकती है स्पैरोचीट, SPIR स्पैरोकाइटी. स्पैरोकाइटी इसकी शेप होती है स्पाइरल टाइप की शेप होती है, स्पाइरल शेप. Okay, so how this is good example, like this live between our teeth, between the organism teeth, between organism teeth. Okay, and this will obtain the foods, nutrients, and but this is not harming. This will not harm our body. Either from this will be not getting benefit or will be not getting harmful. So this is the good example, like this is present between the teeth, between the organism teeth, but it is not giving any benefit and not harming ourselves. So another example you can see like here it here we have like suckerfish, suckerfish and shark. So let's see this example, like this suckerfish have the hooks like structure in mouth. So these will move and will we live on the in or on the host body, like the suckerfish will live in or on the shark body. Okay, in or on the shark's body. So what they're doing, they'll be taking nutrients, like whenever shark is getting eating food, so the little things which are dropping down, so the suckerfish eat that. So like this shark is not getting any benefit and not getting harm, and the suckerfish is getting benefit. Like what things suckerfish is getting, like nutrition, shelter, and one more important thing is transportation. Like how shark fish is too big, so suckerfish live in or on the body of shark. So through that, the suckerfish is getting transportation too. So this was the example. So here we can see the shark is not getting any benefit, not harm, and sucker is getting well benefit. Okay, so now let's move towards third, that is mutualism. So like here both are living together, means equal, both equally both are getting benefits, get benefit from living together, get benefit from living together. How the best example is of the nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is rhizobium. Like it live in the root of a leguminous is like a patola flower or tree, lives in root of leguminous plant. Okay, So this ribosome get bacteria, get food from these plants, and they return the gases nitrogen. Like this ribosome have a lot of gases, so this will return the gas back. This ribosome is getting food from there, getting food and returning the nitrogen gas. Got it? So what they are doing, they are taking each other, taking benefit from each other. Like one thing this is giving, while the other thing this is taking from her. So this was the nature. Let me give you another example, like how, like we have trichonium, okay. So this is made up of cellulose enzyme, okay. Cellulase enzyme, and this mostly live in the intestine of the intestine of ferment. So what these are? These are which mostly eat wood, the bacteria which eat wood, okay. So now what will be here? So these mostly eat wood, and wood have high amount of cellular. So then, so cellular, these eat a lot of wood and they have a lot of cellular. So to break down these, they need the cellulase enzyme. So they will take help from the trichonifer. They will to break down the cellular. And what the trichonifer will take the shelter nutrients. How nutrients? Like when they will break down these cellulose into smaller particles from the cellulase enzyme, so some nutrients will release. So trichonifer will get these nutrients. So now trichonifer getting the shelter and nutrients, while this fermentase is getting the trichonifer to break down the cellular. So these were the three symbiosis. Hope you get that.